Have you been struggling with getting views on your channel or with growing your subscriber count, or you've been struggling with audience retention on your channel? That means getting people to watch your videos for a longer period. I'm going to address all of that in today's video. Now, are you aware that whenever people watch your videos for a longer period, it enables YouTube to push out your videos to a wider audience, hence getting you a lot of views? Now, there is actually a way you can live stream your videos 247 in such a way that it's going to help boost your watch hours, boost your views, increase your revenue on your videos, both your current videos and your pre-recorded videos. That means videos that you already recorded on your channel. You can live stream these videos 247. Now, the good thing is the more you live stream them, the more they get a lot of people to watch them, the more they increase your watch hours. Now, the watch hours, the views and everything you are getting would be optimized towards the YouTube requirement for monetization. Now, this thing is not going to harm your channel because it's a YouTube certified way that I'm going to be teaching you on today's video, and it is very easy to use. I'm currently testing this out, and I'm also going to go ahead and show you channels that are actually using this, so you can see that it is actually legit and you can actually monetize your channel with it. Now, notice this particular channel, it has been live streaming this particular video, and look at when it started. It started 2 years ago. Okay, now look at it. You can see there is actually
tasty pop, easy pop.
You can see that there is a sponsored ad playing on this particular channel. Look at over 902,000 subscribers with 30,000 likes. So that means it gets engagement. Now let me play it.
Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care helps reduce appearance of
Can you see that it's live and it just keeps playing over and over and over and over again? So this is to let you know that this particular tool is actually very stable. You can use it for your pre-recorded videos, to live stream your pre-recorded videos, and internet connection is not going to be a hindrance. Aside that one, these are other channels that are using this professionally on their channels and they are monetized. Can you see this other channel here, Lo-Fi Girl? Now this particular channel, look at, just take note of this, look at it. Can you just see like multiple streams at the same time? One stream is not going to affect the other. Different viewers will be watching different ones, and this particular channel is actually monetized. Now Gyre Pro works for many channels, but not for everyone. You can see different channels I displayed on the screen. Now if you're in the niche that is relevant for kids, it's fine, or you're in the entertainment niche, or you do educational content, or yours is about music, religion, or yours is about business or e-commerce, or you do DIY on your own channel, or your niche is about animals and pets, or it's science and tech, you do movies, or you do TV series, or even travel vlogs. All these niches are suitable and you can see that they are all monetized. Please do not forget to check the description for more important details. Now this shows you that this particular service is safe, and when you start using it to live stream your videos are not going to be interrupted, maybe due to bad connection or incorrect video formats. No, we are going to address everything in today's video. The tool that we are going to be using for the purpose of this 247 YouTube certified live streaming is known as Gyre Pro. Now Gyre Pro is a YouTube certified tool that allows you to live stream your videos, even your pre-recorded videos 247. Now you do not want to skip out on any part of this video, because once you miss one step you might just miss the other one. So do not worry, this particular tool is very easy to use. Okay, and at the end of this video, for those of you who are going to stay my C World members, I have a special bonus for you that's going to help you while using this particular tool, so do not miss it. Now this particular app, in order for you to get to this particular interface, just go into my pinned comment of this video and tap on the link there, and it's going to redirect you here. So you can see that you can run 247 live stream of pre-recorded videos. Okay, now what you want to do is to come here and tap on get for free. Now you can use this both on a PC and a mobile phone. Now once you tap on get for free, it's going to redirect you to this place that says pricing. Of course, they have their different packages, and they have the HD package, they have the 4K package. So you just want to go ahead and scroll through the different packages, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you using the free version here. So I'll just tap on HD. Okay, now when you tap on HD, you're going to see free trial here. So all you just need to do is to come here and tap on try free. Okay, it's going to redirect you to this particular interface. Okay, so this is the Gyre Pro interface. Now what you want to now do is to come up here. You're going to see 3 lines here. Just tap on the 3 lines. You can see then you can see dashboard, you can see storage, you can see live stream, stream scheduler, affiliate program. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on storage. Now now that I've tapped on storage, you can see right here I'm already using the app. So you can see I have 2 of my videos here that are currently optimizing. Like I said, this particular app is going to help you optimize your videos, right? So all you just need to do is to come up here to where you have upload video. If you tap on it, now it's going to bring this place where you can just tap on upload video. If you're using your PC, you can either drag and drop your file, or you just go straight to your file and upload the video here. So just tap on upload video. Now I can pick my video from where I have it. Okay, so let me just pick a video from my gallery. Now I'll advise that you film your videos in the horizontal orientation, that's the landscape orientation. Remember, this particular app can allow you to stream multiple videos. Now you can add several videos, do you understand, and live stream at once. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just add 2. Okay, so let me just tap on add here. You can see the 2 videos here that I just added. This is it here, but these are the 2 videos that I already started working on before now, okay, that are optimized here. So if you want to optimize this one, what you just need to do is to come here and tap on this particular box here. Do you understand? I can even tap on the 2 boxes at the same time. Then what you just need to do is to come to optimization. So you're going to see with an optimized video, the stream will be uninterrupted in high quality. If you want to retain the original video, you know that your video right now is not optimized. Now they're going to leave you a copy of your original video, and then you're also going to have the optimized video. So if you want to delete the original video, you can come here and tick this box. If not, just leave it. Then you're just going to come down here and read the terms and conditions. Then you tick the terms and conditions, then you start optimization. So you're going to see video optimizing. You just need to be patient with the video so it can just, optimize. What you want to do now is to now go back up here, go back to the 3 dots you have, because we want to now start live streaming. So just go back to the 3 lines, then you just come here to where you have live streams. If you want to schedule the live stream, you just come here to where you have streams scheduler, and then you can pick the dates that you want to schedule your live stream. But that's not what we want to do. I actually want to go live now, so I'm just going to go here and tap on live streams here. Okay, so once I tap on live stream, you can see that this is one that I'm already streaming. Do you understand? I just started streaming that one, but it's still unlisted on my channel. But this is it. This is what I'm going to do. In order for you to live stream, just come here and tap on this add stream. Okay, now once you tap on add stream, you can see title, select group, platform, stream key. You can see stream ID. Now if you look at this platform, you can see YouTube, but if you tap on the drop down arrow, you can see other platforms there. So that means you can actually stream on different platforms. Do you understand? So I'm just going to come here and then put in my title. Maybe my title is get 4,000 hours. Let's assume, of course, you want to use a good title, okay, but that's that. So I'm going to put YouTube here. Okay, so now in order for you to get your stream key and your stream ID or stream URL, it is simple. All you just need to do is to go over to your YouTube page. Do you understand? Go to the desktop version of your YouTube page. This is the desktop version of my YouTube page. Now you're going to come up here, okay, to where you can see this particular icon here is for streaming. Okay, you just go ahead and tap on that particular icon. Now when you come here, you can see some of my upcoming live streams. This is that particular one that I just showed you. Can you see it is scheduled? I scheduled that particular one, but this one I'm going to make it public, so you're going to see. So all you just need to do is to come up here to where you can see stream. The next thing you want to do, can you see this stream key here? You want to just go ahead and copy the stream key. Just tap on copy. You can see successfully copied to clipboard. Let me just put it in my notepad. So I just put it in my notepad. The next thing you want to do is to come down here to where you have this URL. Just tap on it like this and copy it. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go back to Gyre Pro. Okay, so this is Gyre Pro here. So what I'm just going to do is to come here and paste my stream ID here, stream key. Okay, so now that I've done that, all I just need to do, this place that says no group, just leave it at that. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and tap on next. Now that I've tapped on next, you're going to see this particular place. you have to now select a file from the storage. Now to select a file, just tap on this drop down arrow here. Okay, so you are going to see the different files you have. Then you're going to see the one that Gyre Pro has helped you to optimize. So let me just pick one. If you want to pick more, all you just need to do is to tap on plus. Okay, when you tap on plus, still tap on the drop down arrow. Okay, remember you can just pick as many as you want to live stream at once. So once you are done with that, all you just need to do is to now come here and tap on save and close. This is it right here. But if you look up here, you can see it hasn't started yet. Okay, so in order for you to start it, all you just need to do is to tap on the play button. So you can see, please wait. Let's just wait for it. So you can see here it is already streaming. So I can just go back to my YouTube page and refresh. So once I refresh, can you see excellent connection? So you can see that it's already streaming. But look at something here. If you look here, you can see how to and style. You can see it is unlisted. So if it's unlisted, nobody would be able to watch it. So you need to be very careful. So all you just need to do is to come here to where you have edits. Let me enlarge it. Let me zoom in. You can see unlisted here. You can see everything about it. So if you want to even change something, maybe the title or anything, all you need to do is to come here and edit, because if you leave it as unlisted, nobody will be able to see it. So you just tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you can now put in the title, put in everything you need to put in. Do you understand? Just fill in everything. So you come down here to visibility, tap on visibility and make it public. So you can see public. Okay, you're going to see it's going to be public on my channel now. If you tap on done, okay, so once you are done with all of that, all you just need to do is to come here and tap on what? Save. Sorry, let me come back here. You can see it is public. You can turn on monetization. If people are sending you gift, you see the revenue right here. Once you have set this up, you want to go ahead and turn on monetization as long as you're already monetized on your channel, so that you are going to be earning as people are watching your videos. You're going to see your concurrent viewers here, the likes here, everything. So now let me go to my YouTube page and show you that it is actually live streaming. So I'm going to go over to YouTube now. Let me just type Glory C. Sorry. See Glory C here. Let me just type Glory C. So can you see here Glory C live? This is the video that I used, that I optimized initially, but of course this is not what I really want for my channel. So it's just because I use this as a tutorial. You will see that if it gets to the end, it will keep on playing and keep on playing. So let's tap on it.
Through this journey, and also helping me to know what I need to do.
If you notice, you'll see that I already have 4 people here that are already watching, and I just started this. I just made it public, but you can see 4 people already watching, and that's the way. You can see somebody already gave it a thumbs up. That's the way it's going to continue looping. People are going to continue engaging. Now this is an update. Okay, after like 10 minutes, you can see 18 views. You can see 3 concurrent viewers, 2 chat rates. So that means people have even started chatting with me on this particular live stream. Now, in case you want to end your live stream, let me show you what to do. If you look here, you're going to see the people that have started. Someone said, Pascal is asking me, it's pre-recorded, I guess, right? So I'm going to answer him later. Just go back to Gyre Pro. So this is it right here. So this is what you just need to do. Come here to where you have the stop button and just tap on stop. So you see, do you really want to end the live stream? If not, just stop it. So I'm just going to tap on stop. You can see not started here. In fact, can you see? Come here to where you have this bin. Just tap on the bin. You can see remove stream. I'm going to just tap on delete. So it's going to leave this place entirely, unless it's going to continue to stream on your channel. So now you can see we can't see it. This is the previous one that's still unlisted. You can see it. So if you still want to delete this one, come here to the bin and tap on it. That is exactly how to do it. So now let's go to my channel to verify. So you can see it here, 11 minutes. It actually streamed for 11 minutes, but trust me, this video is not up to 11 minutes. So I just did this to show you, and imagine just 11 minutes, it was able to get like 19 views. Do you understand? And in fact, once you are done, let's assume you don't even want to stream anymore. You can make it public and people will still be able to go ahead and watch that particular video. Do not forget I have a bonus tip for you. Now you can see how cool this particular tool is. Now this was just a test that I just ran. Now the good thing about live streams is that YouTube pushes it out to new viewers. So that means you're going to be getting new viewers. And another thing is, live streams usually have a higher retention rate. So that means you're getting new views, you're getting them to stay longer. So that means it's boosting your watch hours, and all of these are actually going to amount to YouTube's requirement for monetization. What are the types of videos you want to be creating? Number one, create videos that are long. Do you understand? Another thing is, you want to create videos that are on tutorials, Q&A, entertainment videos, basically videos that you know would keep people engaged for a longer period. Now, to you, my darling C World member that has stayed up to this moment, when you click on the Gyre Pro link in my pinned comment section, if you want to sign up using this discount code. Do not forget, if you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section and I'll respond to your questions. I wish you all success on your channels.